Imagine the entire ocean, every sea, every wave, every drop of water on planet Earth. Now imagine one single drop from that ocean. That drop is Earth. And the ocean? That's just our galaxy, the Milky Way. Not even the full universe. Just one galaxy. But wait, how big is that ocean really? The Milky Way alone contains over 200 billion stars. Our sun, which is so large that 1 million Earths can fit inside it, is just one of those 200 billion stars, and our sun is actually considered a small to medium-sized star. Now, go to the most beautiful beach you can imagine. Look at the sand beneath your feet. Try to count every single grain of sand on that beach. Scientists estimate there are around 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches combined. That's 7 quintillion, 500 quadrillion grains. Now here's what will break your mind. The number of stars in the observable universe is estimated to be even more than all the grains of sand on Earth. Every star, a potential sun. Many with their own planets, their own worlds, their own possibilities. Let's try to travel the universe. Light, the fastest thing that exists, travels at 300,000 kilometers every single second. In 1 second, light can travel around the Earth 7 times. 7 times. In 1 second. Now, even at that impossible speed, it takes light 8 minutes to reach us from our own Sunday. It takes 4 years to reach the nearest star. It takes 100,000 years just to cross our Milky Way galaxy, and there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. So where does that leave you? You standing on a tiny rock, orbiting an average star in one arm of one galaxy among 2 trillion galaxies. You are so incredibly small that the universe doesn't even notice you exist. And yet here you are, conscious, thinking, feeling, questioning, looking up at the stars and asking why. No rock does that. No star does that. Only you. Maybe, just maybe, the fact that something so small can comprehend something so vast is the greatest miracle of all. Now, let's come back. Back from the edge of the universe. Back through 2 trillion galaxies. Back through our tiny Milky Way. Back to our little blue dot. Back to Earth. Back to you. You, with that small skull. Behind those eyes lives a brain weighing just 1.4 kilograms that just comprehended the entire universe. Think about that. Something that fits in your 2 hands just wrapped itself around infinity. And yet, we fight. We wage wars over lines drawn on maps. We hurt each other over differences in language, religion, skin. We waste the most extraordinary gift in the known universe, a conscious, feeling, thinking human mind on hatred. Look at us from out there. No borders, no flags, no armies, just one species, tiny, fragile, floating in the silence of space, every human who ever lived on that dot. We don't know of any other species in this universe that can look up and ask why, that can feel love, that can create music, that can dream, that can question its own existence. We might be the rarest thing in the cosmos. Imagine, just imagine what we could do if every one of those incredible brains worked together, not against each other, together. We've already sent machines to the edge of our solar system. We've decoded the language of DNA. We've peered back to the first light after the Big Bang. And we did all of that, divided. Imagine us, united. You have a limited time here, a few decades on this spinning rock. Don't spend it in anger. Don't spend it in hate. Look up. Remember how vast this universe is. Remember how rare you are. Remember that the person next to you, regardless of where they're from, what they believe, what they look like, carries inside their head the same miracle you carry in yours. We are not enemies. We are one species, one family, sharing one pale blue dot, In one incomprehensibly vast universe, give love, give respect, because every single human brain around you is capable of understanding infinity. Think about what we can achieve together in whatever small, precious time we have. The universe is waiting, and so is our potential.